Today I consciously live in the eternal presence. But seek ye first the kingdom of God and his righteousness, and all these things shall be added unto you. Matthew 6:33. Fix your mind on me. Give me your whole heart. The Bhagavad Gita. Since the kingdom of God is a kingdom of righteousness, and since it is a kingdom that contains everything, then it becomes of prime importance to seek this kingdom, which Jesus so plainly stated is to be found within the self. That self upon which is set the stamps of the eternal, the God self. The real self is inseparable from God. Thus, in discovering the self, we also discover God, the cause of the self. Everything is included within the divine, and since we are in it and it is in us, true self-discovery is the key to the mysteries of life. Hermans tells us that God has everything within itself as thought, that the whole cosmos itself is a thing of consciousness. This is the true city of God, the city of right thoughts and right actions, the city that is foursquare, the length and breadth and thickness of which are equal. This is the city that St. Augustine so beautifully depicts in his great essay on the relationship of the individual soul to the universal spirit. All the sages have plainly told us that we already walk the streets of this city, but like the slaves of Plato, our vision is blurred by shadows cast on the wall of human experience. Evil deals with shadows. Truth deals with light, which dispels the shadows. We are the truth. Evil is neither person, place, nor thing. Today I consciously live in the eternal presence. The kingdom of heaven is within me, and I live in the city of God. I am one with all other citizens who inhabit this celestial metropolis. Here, in a true communion of spirits, I find unity, peace, and joy.